Greetings! Today's video is dedicated to all the people who love to travel and especially those of you who like a good deal. I'm going to show you a way to save almost $2,600 for a 4-night stay in Monterey, California during the Memorial Holiday weekend in 2022. The hotel that I'm going to talk about in this video is the Ramada by Wyndham in Monterey, and notice that this hotel is only a 9-minute drive from the famous Monterey Bay Aquarium. This is the hotel's website, and we're going to look at some hypothetical dates. Checking in on Friday, May 27, 2022, and checking out on Tuesday, May 31, 2022. That is a 4-night stay during the Memorial Day holiday weekend. And I'm selecting one room for 2 people. So let's start out by looking at the room that has 1 queen bed. The best available rate is approximately $636 per night. And by the way, Ramada is part of the Wyndham Hotels program. Scrolling down, we can see that the 1 king bed, 1 sofa bed room is $648 per night for the same dates. And finally, for the 2 queen beds, same dates, $648 per night. So for 4 nights, the total is about $2,600 plus tax. And that is, of course, a lot of money. So I'm going to show you a way to stay at this hotel completely free during this holiday weekend. I've now switched the website to reflect how many points are required per night instead of using the cash option. So let's start out by looking at the 1 queen bed non-smoking room, 15,000 points per night, and then the 1 king bed, 1 sofa bed non-smoking room, same thing, 15,000 points per night, and finally the 2 queen beds non-smoking room, also the same price, 15,000 points per night. So the question is, how are we going to get those 15,000 points? Remember, we're trying to figure out a way to stay at this hotel for free for 4 nights during this holiday weekend. 4 nights requires exactly 60,000 points. This is the Barclays website, and we can see that there are 2 different credit cards. The first one is called Wyndham Rewards Earner Card, and the second one is called Wyndham Rewards Earner Plus Card. The first card is completely free, which means that you don't have to pay an annual membership fee. If you apply for this card and you are approved, they will give you 30,000 points for free, and you will get those points after spending a certain amount of money within a certain time frame. So let's take a look at all the details. And remember, this is the card that has no membership fee. So here's what it says. Earn 30,000 bonus points after spending $1,000 on purchases in the first 90 days. And then you're going to keep earning points as you use the credit card. Earn 5 points per $1 spent on purchases made at hotels by Wyndham, as well as on gas. Right now, gas is almost $5 per gallon. So if you're using this credit card to pay for your gas purchases, you're going to be racking up some points pretty quickly. And then for restaurants and grocery stores, you're going to earn 2 points for each dollar spent. And for everything else, you're going to get 1 point for each dollar spent. For me, it is pretty easy to spend thousands of dollars on gasoline, groceries, home insurance, car insurance, bridge tolls, parking, etc. And those are just the things that I need to live. They're not even fun things. I use credit cards for just about everything. And the way that I see it is, why not get some points back if I have to spend money on all of these things anyway? If there's one thing I don't like to do is write checks or use cash at a grocery store, because you get nothing back. Always use a credit card when you go shopping. And I actually recommend this card if you like to travel, because you do rack up some points pretty quickly, and you're going to be able to use those points to either stay at hotels for free or to get discounts. Now let's take a look at the other Wyndham Rewards Visa card. This is the one that has a $75 annual fee. And what do you get for this? You will get 45,000 bonus points after spending just $1,000 on purchases in the first 90 days. That's pretty easy to do, right? $1,000 in 90 days. That's about $334 each month. And let me ask you this. Do you spend that much money every month on gasoline, groceries, insurance payments? The 45,000 bonus points is just a one-time thing after you sign up. After that, you're going to get 6 points for every $1 spent on purchases made at Wyndham hotels and gas purchases. Then you get 4 points for every $1 spent on dining and grocery stores, and then you get 1 point per dollar spent on other purchases. And here's a fun thing. Each anniversary year, you also get a bonus of 7,500 points. So you get all of these benefits for only $75 per year. Now let's come back to the Ramada Hotel website. So remember, during the holiday weekend, Memorial Day 2022, each night costs 15,000 points. If you decide to sign up for that Visa card that costs $75 per year, you're going to get a sign-up bonus of 45,000 points after spending $1,000 within the first 90 days. So 45,000 points will give you 3 free nights during this vacation. To get the 4th night for free, you need another 15,000 points. What if I change the date to 3 nights instead of 4 nights? So we're going to check out on Monday, May 30th, instead of on Tuesday. So this is a 3-night vacation, and let's see what happens. The point value remains the same, 15,000 points for each night. So again, if you have the Earner Plus Visa card, you get to stay at this Ramada completely for free for 3 nights. And that is a savings of over $1,900. Let's look at a second example. This is the Donatello, which is a beautiful hotel in San Francisco, California. And this is for a 2-night stay in March 2022. Checking in on Friday, March 18, and checking out on Sunday, March 20th. And the average price per night is about $200 plus tax. Now let's see how many points we need for the Donatello. Same thing, 15,000 points per night. And I did a little bit of math here just to put things into perspective. With the Earner Plus Visa card, you're going to get 6 points for every $1 spent on gasoline. 15,000 points is equivalent to spending $2,500 on gas. And I know that sounds like a lot, but with gasoline at $5 per gallon, that's equivalent to 500 gallons of gasoline. For a small car that requires 10 gallons of gas to fill up the tank, that's equivalent to 50 trips to the gas station. 50. So if you have a mid-sized car, or especially a truck or an SUV, you're going to be spending a lot of money on gasoline and racking up some points pretty quickly. Let's look at one final example, and this is for 2 beautiful resorts in Napa, California. Napa is a famous wine country region. Both the Vino Bello Resort and the Silverado Resort will cost you 15,000 points per night. Or, notice this is something interesting. There's also a cash plus points option for both of these resorts. So notice, you could either get the rooms completely for free for 15,000 points a night, or you can spend cash plus 3,000 points, which is a bargain. So let's find out how much these rooms are without using points. This is very interesting. For these same nights, the Vino Bello Resort does not have a pure cash option, but the Silverado Resort will set you back approximately $423 per night plus tax plus a resort fee. In summary, I think this credit card is fantastic. But if you want to get a second opinion, you can go to Forbes.com and read their review of this card. Thank you for watching.